Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool graphic. If you kind of look at it one way, there's two objects that intersect from up top, bottom, left, right to an angle. Pretty easy to draw. I haven't figured out the exact measurements yet, but change your nudge factor right now to 7.84. Draw a 10-inch ellipse. Hit P, put it in the center of the page. Make it 10 inches. Control D, make a duplicate, and make the next one 2 inches. Select your two objects, go up to Effects, and blend 6 times. Now we're going to go to Object, blend apart, go up to Object, group it together. We've already set our nudge factor on 7.84. That's just my magical number that I used. I left these here so we can kind of tell what we need to do. Now, Control D, Alternate C, and rotate it 45 degrees. To make sure yours is good, take your virtual segment delete key, and if you delete this line, it doesn't delete that line, you're good to go. Now, we could go with just a couple, but we're going to Control D and rotate it 90 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and go all the way around. Might be smart to make this one black by right-clicking. Make this one black by right-clicking. And then I'm going to bring in my graphic because it's very easily kind of deceiving on what to do. So we want to come through here and delete all these red lines. And then we're going to, the red lines here, and then the black lines there. That's why I kept this up here. Now, if you hold down your Alt key will help you. So all this is already cleared. So I'm going to get my virtual segment delete key, and I'm going to hold down my Alt key, and the Alt key is going to help you stay within the lines. That's exactly what you want. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. Alt key, or virtual segment, holding down the Alt key. You see how you're going to make that turn? That's the critical. I've done this a couple of times and not forgot to make the turn and deleted some lines I didn't need. But if you just kind of match, whoa, I got really close, but it didn't cut it. I got really close out of the line. And the more you do this, your hand-eye coordination on your mouse will get better. Almost had to stop because I got to a stopping point. That's all we need. So what we're going to do, let's just get rid of these. We're going to fill, well, we're going to group this together. Control G. And then we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill in that, and that. Now, because we've grouped, I can move this out of the way. Now, then I'm going to left click, no fill, right click outline. It's where it should be. Control D, alternate C. You can see well, maybe I had another copy. Oh, I didn't group them together. Let me back up here. I don't want to mess up. I did not group them. Control G. Control D to duplicate. Alternate C to have it rotate from the center of the page. And that same number is 45. And look at that. And then you could take them all and make them thicker lines or whatever you wanted to do. Let's see what it looks like yellow and take the black box around it. Take away my indexing lines. Well, that's a pretty simple, maybe one of my math gurus will chime in, but with the key is you're going to have the 6 blend, 10-inch circle, and 784, and don't ask me how I got that. It took me a while. Anyway, and then, okay, you go, well, I don't want it that big. Well, you can very easily take this, group it together. Now, I don't have the lines. They're going to get thicker. I don't have them scale to object, but you can make it whatever size you want. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.